Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button for more videos. Today, we are going to be looking at this particular diagram. In the diagram given, we are asked to find the value of x. Solving for the value of x in this particular diagram is not something hectic. It's easy and straightforward to solve. Just make sure you follow the instructions from this video. So first of all, we are going to use two principles so that we'll be able to find the value of x. So the first one is angle on a straight line. The sum of angle on a straight line will be equal to 180. Yes. And the second principle will be the summation of angle in triangle to be equal to 180 as well, 180 degree. So looking at this, let's get it solved. The first thing we need to do is we need to find the value of this particular angle. So since we know this angle, we need to find the value of this angle. So let's represent this angle. Let's represent it with what? With y degree, for instance. So we will be having y degree plus what? Plus 130 degree. It now be equal to what? 180, because the sum of angle on a straight line is equal to what? 180. So without wasting much of our time, y degree will now be equal to what? 180 degree minus what? Minus 130 degree. So y degree now be equal to what? 50 degree. So it shows that the value of our y is now what? 50 degree. But we are not asked to find the value of y, but we are asked to find the value of what? X. So looking at this triangle very well, we will see that this triangle is isosceles triangle. That is, this side, that is this particular x, this particular angle, and this particular angle are equal because of this sign. This is what? Sign of what? Isosceles triangle. So from isosceles triangle principle, two angles will be equal. So which shows that the summation of the three angles will be equal to what? 180 degree. So you need to have it at the back of your mind that this particular angle x that we are looking for and this the other angle, their value is what? Is equal. And from the rule of triangle, that is, from if you haven't watched my previous video, kindly go through them so that we'll be able to understand this concept very well. So because I've solved similar questions related to this before. So from the principle of triangle, so we'll now be having our y degree plus what? X degree. And I told you this x and this particular angle and this particular angle, they are equal because this triangle is what? Is isosceles triangle. So you can simply represent this particular one too as what? As x square. So this now equal to plus what? X square. The summation now equal to what? 180 degree. So once you understand it to this stage, so we already have the value of y degree to be what? To be 50 degree. So plus what? X degree plus x degree is equal to what? 180 degree. So once you get it to this stage, once you are able to solve it to this stage, then you don't have much issue. So you are almost done. So when we want to try and collect the what? And collect the like terms now. So 50 degree plus what? X degree plus x degree. So this one will be equal to 2x degree. It now become to what? 180 degree. So whenever you're solving mathematical problems, make sure you are doing it one after the other. That is step by step. So this will make it easy for you, so that you won't have any issue. So taking this 50 degree to the right hand side, you will be having your what? 2x degree. Now we got to what? 180 degree minus what? Minus 50 degree. So from here, we'll be having 2x degree to be equal to what? 180 degree minus 50 degree. This is equal to what? 130 degree. But we are not asked to find the value of 2x. So we are asked to find the value of what? X. So this shows that we can easily divide both sides by 2 to get rid of the coefficient of x degree. So our x degree now equal to 2 here 1, 2 in this one. This will give us what? 65 degree. So let's check it from the beginning. We started by getting the opposite angle. the opposite angle of this 130. We started by getting it by using the principle of what? Angle on a straight line. This is it, angle on a straight line. The summation is what? 180. This particular straight line. So that we're able to get the what? The value of y. I represented this particular angle as what? Angle y. So y plus 130 is now equal to what? 180. So from there we are able to do y degree to be equal to 180 minus 130. Y degree now equal to what? 50. So since this particular angle is now 50 degree, and I told you that this particular triangle is isosceles triangle, that is this angle and this angle are what? Are equal. So with that, we can easily use principle of what? Triangle by saying the summation of the angles in triangle equal to what? 180. So now I have y degree plus s degree plus s degree equal to what? 180 degree. 50 degree, because we are able to get the value of y to be what? 50. So we are adding this, and this to be equal to what? 180. So now I have 50 degree plus what? X degree plus s degree is what? 180. 50 degree plus 2x degree is equal to what? 180. Because s degree plus s degree is 2x degree. So 50 degree plus 2x degree is what? 180. 2x degree now equal to what? 180 minus 50 degree after collecting your like terms. So we want to get rid of, so we have 2x degree is equal to 130 degree. So we want to get rid of what? The coefficient of x degree, that is 2. So we can easily divide both sides by 2. And you can as well multiply through by the inverse of the coefficient of x degree. So it's still the same thing. So 2x degree divided by 2 now equal to 130 divided by 2. So our x degree will be equal to what? 65 degree. So if you redraw this particular triangle now, so the answer will now be what? This will be the result of the triangle. So here will be what? 65 degree. Here will be what? 65 degree, because they are the same. This triangle is isosceles triangle, and here will be what? 50 degree. So here will be what? 130 degree. So this is the triangle. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I will be dropping videos of mathematics solutions ranging from very basic to more advanced level. I love you. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to your younger brothers, your sisters, your family members, your siblings. It will be very helpful for them. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button. I love you and God bless you all. Thank you.